Hello everyone, I am Sagar Sonone and today I am going to discuss about the reproductive system for male and female both. Okay, so in today's video we can discuss about basic informations about the reproductive system and its functions and all the information related to the reproductive system. So reproductive system is nothing but the collection of organ and network of the hormone productions and that work together to create a life. Uh, the male reproductive system include the testes, which produce sperm, and the organ in the male reproductive system, that is the penis, epididymis, vas deferens, then the ejaculatory duct and urethra. And the female reproductive system consists of the ovaries, which reproduce eggs called oocytes, and the organs of the female reproductive system that include fallopian tube, uterus, cervix, vagina, and vulva. Both male and female reproductive system must be functioning properly for the couple of conceived naturally, and a problem with the structure or the function of either reproductive system can cause the infertility. Okay, so what does the reproductive system does means how the functions of the reproductive system can work. So the reproductive system, we can say, that is a collection of organ or the network of the hormone production in men and as well as the women. Okay, so that enable man to impregnate a woman who gives birth to a child, and during the conceptions, sperm cell from the males fuses with and the eggs in the woman, and creating the fertilizing eggs, that is the embryo, and that implant and grows in the uterus during the pregnancy. So abnormalities or the damages of the reproductive organ and the malfunctions of the hormone productions and delivery system that governs reproductions are the common causes of infertility in man woman both. Okay, so the menstruational cycle is regulated by the complex interactions of hormone produced by the hypothalamus and as also pituitary gland as well as the ovary. So in the folliles are the sac-like structure in the ovary that containing the eggs, and as the follicle and eggs develop, so cell within the follicle produce the estrogens. Okay, and follicle cell produce another hormone called as the inhibin that circulate back to the hypothalamus and the pituitary to decrease the release of the FSH, and the production of estrogen continue to rise under the influence of FSH as the follicle mature and increase in the size. Okay, so when follicle in the mature, maximum productions of the estrogen occurs, and this signal rapid rise in the LSH from the pituitary gland. Okay, so now we can talking about the reproductive systems, reproductive hormones in the men's. In the men, FSH from the pituitary gland stimulates the testes to produce the sperm by the process known as the spermatogenesis, and LH from the pituitary gland signals the testes to produce the testosterone, which enhance the sperm maturations, and the testosterone is the primary male sex hormone. Okay, so the organ in the female reproductive system, that is the ovary, fallopian tube, uterus, cervix, as well as the vagina and vulva, those organs are connected and that have the functions, and those organs can meet the reproductive system, and due to this reproductive system from the female child, birth of child can be happens. Okay, so to produce and maintain transport sperm and protective fluid, and discharge sperm within the female reproductive tract during the sex, produce and secrete the male sex hormone that is responsible for the maintaining male reproductive systems. Okay, so unlike the female reproductive system, most of the male reproductive organ are not located internally. They include penis, then also scrotum, testes, epididymis, and as well as ductus. Ductus also called as the difference, okay, vas difference. And then also the another organs which are not located internally for the male reproductive system, that is the ejaculated ducts and urethra. And other glands like that's produce semen or the fluid in the support for the reproductive systems, okay. So that is all the information related to the reproductive systems, the organ or the components of the reproductive system, that in the female that is located internally, but in the male that is located externally, and they can the functions of the both. So thank you.